In the hallowed halls of justice, lawyers are expected to bring wit, wisdom, the rule of law. But not every day is a victory for dignity. Sometimes the only thing on trial is common sense itself. Meet the most unprepared lawyer to ever set foot in a courtroom. A man whose legal brief is more brief than legal. Let's set the scene. It's 9 a.m. sharp. The courtroom buzzes with anticipation. Our attorney enters, not with confidence, but with a coffee stain the size of a legal pad on his shirt. He's forgotten his case file. Again, the judge asks for opening statements. Our hero stands, clears his throat, and proceeds to read last week's grocery list. Your Honor, I object. Wait, sorry, that's buy eggs, not object. Exhibit A, the lawyer forgot his pants. Yes, you heard that right. Black robe, black shoes, plaid boxers. As the bailiff whispers, "Sir, your dignity is showing," the lawyer mistakes him for the judge. "Thank you, Your Honor." I move to approach the bench. Now, every great defense attorney knows how to cross-examine a witness. But this one, he objects to his own questions. Objection. That's hearsay. Wait, I asked that. The court reporter sighs. I've seen reality shows with more order than this courtroom. Let's talk evidence. Picture this, crucial documents meticulously prepared, until a rogue pen explodes, turning Exhibit B into modern art. The jury stares in awe. The judge stares in disbelief. And then the piece de resistance. The lawyer's closing argument. He shuffles his papers, looks the jury dead in the eye, and delivers a stirring finale. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, I rest my... Wait, where's my briefcase? The prosecution tries not to laugh. The defense tries not to cry. The stenographer just types unintelligible chaos. In interviews, witnesses recall the day with a mix of horror and delight. It was like watching a legal-themed episode of America's Funniest Home Videos, says one. Another adds, "He called me to the stand, then asked if I was the defendant. I'm his client. But in the end, justice is served. Sort of. The verdict? Guilty of being the world's most unprepared lawyer." So next time you think you're having a bad day at work, just remember, at least you didn't try to cross-examine yourself in front of a jury. This has been a cautionary tale from the front lines of legal absurdity. Because in court, you can object to almost anything except your own lack of preparation. Thanks for watching, and remember, always check for your pants.